So hello everyone. So topic is form validation in JavaScript. So what is the validation? So form validation is the process of checking that a form has been filled in correctly before it's processed. So normally in HTML we have a form, we submit our detail, and after that we filled our details, it is correctly or not. So it is known as a form validation. Like we are entered any em- email ID in the form of @gmail.com. So this is example of validation. So we will see in depth with examples. So here I am making a simple form, and after that I apply on validation. So you can easily understand the difference between normal form and validation. So here I am taking form and the name. Here I am making a function. When I submit on this button, so it will validate. So we are making now normal form, so we will see later. Here I am taking input value. Here I am taking f name. So here I am taken a input text, the name. After that I will take a submit button. So here I am taking a text and simple submit button. So I will enter a name, and after that submit, so it will take easily. You will see that, like I'm taking a Ramba. So here we can see that if name is taken Ramba. So here nothing is validation. We can type anything, like we can sorry, that store here. Here I'm taking some more field for input field. So here I taken three more field, like password, mobile and mail. So we will validate all the things here. Yes, so here I'm giving a line break, so it will look better. So after that we will see that. So this is our form. So it is still not looking good. Here I given two times line break, so we will see that. So this is our form. So here so you can enter anything, any he can taken. Here nothing is validation here. Here I am applying some CSS, so it will look better, and after that apply the validation. So here I am adding a CSS file. So here I added CSS file. So here this is my style.css file. So I have applied CSS on this page. So background color is sky blue and our form margin and width is 280 pixels, and this is the input field, and this is our button. So you'll see that. So here it's look better than previous. Now we'll apply on validation. So here I am making a validation function. Here I call the validation function. Sorry, I write a wrong place. I need to write here. So here I need to access the phone's attributes value like if name, password, mobile, mail. So with the help of document object model, we can access that. So here, so we are checking if our text is empty. So document dot is empty. So here we display some message, anything like alert in alert box. Provide correct name. If here if name is empty, so it will show provide correct name. So you'll see that like I didn't type here. So you got message provide correct name. But in which field? This one. We didn't get idea which field we have done mistake. So here I will focus on that area. Like enter, like we didn't write here in this name, so it will focus on the name. So we got that in this area we have 10 mistakes. We will see that now. So I input correct names is taken, but here I am not writing anything. So here display message correct name. So here after alert we got in this area mistakes and we are not giving correct input. And if you want, like here this is this input field is not correct, so the this color will change, the input area color will change. So you'll see that. So I am taking here a id name. So here I am taking document dot element by id, so our id is here name. We are taking background color. So here I am changing text area color. I am not writing anything here. It is provide a message, and this is the background color change, or we are not correct entered value here. Now we will see about password. So here in password, I am checking password is not null and the length of password is greater than 8. If it is not greater than 8 and null, so it will show password length greater than 8 and not null. And after that it focus on this area. So we'll see that. So I am typing here like, and this area is I am typing here like 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4. I am not taking a 8 character here. Greater than to 8. So it is showing password length greater than 8 and not null. And after that focus. And same apply in mobile and mail. Same I will apply on mobile and mail validation. So we will see that. So here I am taking for mobile verification, like mobile number. If mobile number is empty and mobile number is not for 10 digit, we know that our mobile number is for 10 digit. So if it is not 10 digit, so it will show error and show mobile number will be 10 digit and not empty. So we will see that. I am writing here correct only. I am taking mobile number 9 digit, so it will showing mobile number will be 10 digit, not empty. And here the focus to write your mobile number. After that, now we will validate our email ID. So here this is a regular expression for email ID. So here matching the starting string. After that, this one is, or you write our strings, numbers and different operators and special character. And after that, at the rate, here I am taking like at the rate gmail.com and other, and here I am taking .com. If this is condition is true, so it will return true, and this is not match, so it will return false. So you will see that. So here I am taking name and this is correct mobile number, and I am taking any ID. So this is showing entered email is, sorry, you have entered an invalid email address. So you are right correct email address. So after validation we got F name is and password, mobile number and our email ID. So this is all about the form validation in JavaScript. Thanks for watching, friends.